Hi, I'm Ben Summers with the TRU-Ball Axcel archery booth here at the ATA show, and I want to show you that this is our new Trident release, and you can see that it actually has three different like hooks right here that we call tri-sears that literally spin around. And the really cool thing about this release is that you literally can just pull it and it resets to the next place every time. And what's cool about this is that it's activated by the pull of the bow. So it's string activated as opposed to spring activated. So it's actually a lot quicker in the activation than a lot of the other releases that are high performance out there. So really, really cool release. That's the Trident, and it will be available in both aluminum and aluminum with brass. This one was actually selected by PJ Riley as one of his picks of the show. So this is what you call a pointer release, and it's named after the dog, the hunting dog pointer. And basically you can pull that trigger and then open and close this hook. So it's just really quick, really easy to load, and really high-end trigger. So you've got all the high-end features of the inside of that release right there. And you can configure that trigger in three different locations. So you can have it swept back like it is, a little bit forward and a little bit sideways. Pick one of the three, and then you can actually set it up just the way you want it and just the way it feels good for you. So that's the pointer release. We have a lot of other really cool features. Let me see if I can find them here. I'll take you over here first. Our next new product is the Achieve XP, and it's a extended range. This is a 2.0, and we also have a 1.5 right here. So this is 1.5 inches. This is 2 inches over here. And this is our standard compound model. This is a 3-inch. So you can kind of see the difference between the 3 and the 2 right there. But what makes these different is that we've taken all of the weight and the adjustment out of the front here and moved it to the back. So you can see that this has a different plate back here that can actually move up or down, so that you can get the adjustment out of the back here without the weight on the front. And so that cuts down quite a bit on your vibration. Really does a lot to make sure that everything up front stays the way it's supposed to, especially with all the heavy scopes that are out there right now. But you have a compound plate right here. This one over here is a recurve plate. You can see that it's a lot longer. So we've recommended the recurve people, they typically go at 18 meters or 70 meters. So you can literally set that exactly where you need it. Is that you have these straps here that basically prevent the clamp mechanism here from compacting. So it's like a bridge design right here and right here. So it makes that bow connection a whole lot stronger than what we've had in the past. So we're always trying to look for things that are a little bit better, just to make, I mean, that's our motto, is we make archery better. The next new thing I can show you up here, you can see this is our new Ranger pin. And you can see it has two pins right there, like right on top of each other, and they correspond with these two pointers right here. So you can actually get that to where, for instance, the top one right now is set at 20, the bottom one is set at 40. You can move it down a little bit, and the top one's set at 50 and the bottom is set at 65. So you can actually get that range of motion that is exactly right there where you need it to be. These are our Antler Ridge kits that we have. We've been extremely successful with the Antler Ridge stabilizers. We can't even make enough of them. It's been great that way. But the carbon is the same carbon that a lot of the Koreans have used to win Olympic gold medals. What we have here, this is our Trilock Hunter connection, and it's just a really great, really positive way to be able to make sure that your back bar is going to stay where it's supposed to be. If you look at the back side, it has this little little finger right here that prevents all the weight that you would put on the back of it from weighing down and making that back bar kind of fall down. So it's been a really successful thing for all of our compound tournament shooters that we now have in a really good hunting setup. So give us a call. Like, we have a lot of people that deal direct. We'd rather you would go with your local dealer, but if you are a local dealer, please give us a call at 434-929-2800. You can look us up at TRU-Ball.com, AxcelSites.com, and check us out at local tournaments. Or we try to be everywhere that there's an event, almost every major event in the whole world. So anyway, I'm headed to France next week, so hope to see some of you there. So this is a...
Attention show attendees. Our next coffee talk will begin at 2 p.m.
I can
in
edit
my
it.
ATA area. Soliciting customer feedback for product development. Again, our next coffee talk will begin at 2 o'clock in my ATA area.
Just wait till they're done.
Soliciting customer feedback for product
I'll edit it out to
Thanks
where...
a lot, guys.
Yeah. Okay, whatever.
So our next new product is the